Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy carrot pickle known as pilipili ya karoti in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need some carrots. Make sure you've washed them and cut them into slices as you can see in the video. Then you're also going to need 2 tablespoons of crushed green chilies, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, a 1/4 cup of lime juice, a 1/2 cup of cooking oil, 3 large blended tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then you're also going to need different spices. I have 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, or you can add more, that's up to you, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and lastly 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So the first step, I'll take a bit of carrot and I'll blend them, and the rest I'm going to boil them for approximately 5 minutes so that the carrots can be a bit soft. In a separate pot, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of cooking oil and let the oil to heat up. Once hot, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, followed by 3 blended tomatoes, and mix everything well. Then afterwards, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix everything well and nice, and let the tomatoes to cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. After approximately 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to add the blended carrots so that my pickle can be a bit thick. Then add the spices, which are chili powder, some salt, black pepper, curry powder, and chili flakes. Then pour a 1/4 cup of lime juice, or you can use some lemon juice, and lastly add 2 tablespoons of crushed green chilies, and mix everything well and nice, and let the chili to cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Lastly, you're going to add the boiled carrots and mix the pickle very well, and let the pickle to cook on a medium heat for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. After approximately 15 to 20 minutes, you'll start to see the carrot pickle starts to produce some oil like this. Then your carrot pickle is ready, and remove it from the heat and serve in a glass jar container. And my tasty carrot pickle is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this pickle, it's so tasty, and enjoy your carrot pickle. You can eat this pickle along with some rice, biryani, pilau, or anything that you like, and enjoy this pickle. Store in a glass jar container or a plastic container and place it in the fridge, and it can last for approximately 3 months. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.